Are you a smartphone user? And the question battery capacity ever come to your mind? If yes, then in today's episode, we are going to be taking a look at a Lenovo branded power bank, and the model number here is PB500. My name is Anam, and welcome back to my channel, The Maxim. Let's just go ahead and do that. So this is Lenovo PB500 power bank. Very good quality indeed, black in color. This is 10,000 milliamp hour battery here, and it just mentions Lenovo power bank PB500 is the model number. Let's look at the sides. This is made in China. Let's look on the flip side of the box. You can see the model number, which is PB500, and here you can see the price, which is approximately 4,600 Indian rupees. I will leave the links in the description below so that you can just find the latest price for this one. These are some of the specifications which they have mentioned a few details in here. Now let's just go ahead and open the seal here. The moment you open this, you will see there are some paperwork available as well. The first, you'll see the power bank and the paperwork here with the model number and a couple of things in there, but there is not much to it. It's just a simple power bank. This is just kind of plug and play. This is 10,000 milliamp hour battery, it mentions. There is the Lenovo branding as well at the bottom. The sides are like thin enough, it's not really too bulky. Some of the details which they have mentioned at the bottom. The striations which they have given on the power bank is kind of very unique, and I really haven't seen that anywhere. You can see a couple of ports in here. One of the port here which is for charging. The two other ports, one is the quick charge which is at 2.1 ampere. The other one is 1 ampere port. There is a small button which you can see, that's the battery indicator button. So there is a charging light with the battery light as well. It just denotes the battery level. 4 means it's 175 to 100%, 3 means 50 to 75%. That's how it is. The backup is kind of very good. I do charge my phone at least 3 to 4 times. As you would know, the backup also depends upon the phone being charged and the capacity in itself. This may vary different to different phones. A small micro USB cable comes with this in the box. And I have been using this particular product for like over 1 year, and I really have a very great experience using this one, and this is definitely a recommended buy for you. I also would like to show you the dimensions of this particular device. As you can see, the length is about a little over 5 inches, which is not something which is very bulky. Let's see the width as well. Let me adjust the focus. The width here, you can see it's a little over 2.5 inches. And now let's just go ahead and look at the sides. The sides are thin enough, and as you can see, this is a little about half inches. Overall, the device is really very great, very nice looking device, and it does do what it says, a great battery backup as well. I like the striations on this particular model here, PB500. Definitely a very good buy. Thank you so much for watching in this video. Stay tuned for more videos.